Hello friends, in this video I wanted to show you how to stop Windows 10 from downloading and installing updates automatically. So firstly click on Start, then click on Settings. In here click on Devices. Now here uncheck this option, Download over metered connection. So uncheck to help prevent extra charges. Keep this off so device software, drivers, info and apps for new device won't download while you are on metered internet connections. So uncheck this option, then close it. So hopefully guys you like this video. By this simple step we can know how to stop Windows 10 from downloading and installing updates automatically. Thanks for watching this video.